Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs home tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's a showerhead. My current showerhead, some of the holes are blocked up and it's very difficult to clean it out. So I had a look on Amazon like I do and I come across this little baby and apparently you can take it apart, so it should be easy to keep it clean. It also comes with some filters and some little balls and they're supposed to help put minerals back into the water as it's going through and help your body or your skin. It also comes with something called PP cotton filters, and I'll quickly read this bit out for you. It says PP cotton filters removes chlorine and harmful chemicals, heavy metals, bacteria, pesticides, rust and odour from the raw water. That's what it says. So I thought I'd give it a go. So with that, we'll get her out the box and then I'll install into my shower and test her out. So you get a shower head, you get 2 spare filters. It wasn't a sealed box, by the way, that's how it came. 2 filters, so when that one's got a funny colour, you can swap it over and put a nice clean one in. So let's have a look around. So it comes with a little lever on the side with 3 different modes. The modes are massage, jetting and region full, whatever that is. Like, so we are going to try it out. The head is easily removed, as you can see. Well, I'm not going to remove, well, alright, I will just quickly remove it so you can get an idea what you're getting for your pennies. So easily to remove, so it should be quite easy to unblock the holes. The little seal there can be removed as well. Like I say, it should be nice and easy to clean if it needs cleaning. Quickly do it back up. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go upstairs and plug it into my shower, and then I'm going to have a shower. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, let's take this old baby down. Look, you can see it looks all grubby and that. So we're going to quickly swap this one out. Put the new one in. There's a universal connection, so it should just work. See that? So that's your first mode. We've got some pressure there. And then flick the switch, which is on this side. So what we're going to go. So it's on the side. So, oh, I like that one. That feels nice. It's got a third mode, isn't it? There. Oh right. So if it's right up the top, that's that mode. Then you've got the middle mode, which is a gentle wash, and then that's all mode. Right, I think I'll have a shower and try it out. What, you thought you were going to come in here with me, did you? Unbelievable, some people. Christ, are you still here? That was excellent. Really nice shower. So get downstairs. We'll have a little chat about it. Right, so what do I think about it? I thought it was excellent. The shower was really nice. Like I say, it's got 3 modes on it. I had it on, I think the bottom one, the most powerful, the biggest spray, and it really suited me. It wasn't too heavy. The water was really fine, and that's because it has really minute holes. But there was enough pressure there for me to feel it really comfortably. I think it was really good, and I thought, well, for just under £14, is it worth the money? Yeah. I like the idea you can change these filters. I like the idea you can clean the heads, because the one thing that really annoys me is these do get blocked up, especially in the area I live. We live in a hard water area and they do get clogged up. So hopefully this will stop it getting blocked up. And like I say, I've got 2 spare ones, so when it goes, I think it goes like a yellowy colour or a light browny colour. When it goes to that colour, I will undo it and change them out. I'm not sure how easy that is to do. Let's see, there you go. Just unscrew that and just swap them out. Oh, so it's really easy. I didn't even know how to do that. I didn't even bother looking. So yeah, easy to do. So yeah. So it gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. And if you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.